Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is just a normal regular process video and here I am. I am going to be using this sketch and it was over at the party weekend for the Secret Not Secret Kit Club and I just wanted to use it. So I didn't follow it, but I took elements from the sketch. So I took the honeycomb or like the hexagons and I turned in a honeycomb style cut file, and this one's from my stash. The Etsy shop is no longer available where I got this one from. And then I took the two pictures and then kind of having the big title with it and a little bit of the mixed media. I don't do exactly what she has, but pretty close. So over at the Secret Not Secret Kit Club, it's her anniversary week, because this is 4 years ago, 3 or 4 years ago, she has started what is called the party weekend, and anybody that is members of the group gets to just have fun, just to get into your craft room and scrapbook and just do your crafty things. So I decided to do the sketch and I absolutely love the sketch. It's just a little bit different for me, so I took elements from it, and that's okay. When you look for inspiration, whether it's the sketch or the, a layout or something to that effect, take what you get from it. If you want to follow the sketch or the layout to the T, then that's what you do. Or you find inspiration, and that's what I found out here was the inspiration. I decided to take all the little honeycombs because the collection that I'm doing is bold? What is it? Brave and Bold from Amy Tan. And they had a bunch of honeycombs and I had 2 sets of these, so I was like, ooh, this will be perfect. I can put them all in there, add that little bit of a design behind the paper, and that's all the paper I used. I didn't even back my photos. I realized it afterwards, but I mean, when you get done with the layout, it looks perfect. I love it. It's simple, but yet still me, because there's so much layering to this, but I realized I didn't even back it. So I used 2 cardstock papers, which is the black there for the cut file, and then the background of this layout, and then the paper that's there. That's it. I didn't even realize that. The rest of this, the rest of all of this is just embellishments and all the stuff that I have for this. So I didn't get very much of this. I actually didn't even order it. And then I decided when I went into Joann's, I actually got a peek of it and I purchased what they had. They didn't have much, so I didn't even purchase that much. I've come to the realization that a lot of the stuff that I'm ordering now is truly what I want to order, and I've really gone towards close to my heart a lot more. In the beginning, when I started the business, I was just doing it so that everybody could see it, and I wasn't really I wasn't enjoying the collections. I was just using them for the sake of using them. And now I'm actually enjoying the collections that they've come out with and purchase less other books or other collections. So that works out, in that respect. But here nor there. I still order all this other good stuff. I mean, I just got in Paige Evans' new one, and I have pre-orderization for the new collections that's come out from Crepe Paper and Vicky Boutin. So, and I ordered her Christmas one. So, all of that good stuff. So here I am. I'm just placing down the embellishments and going to town. My title is Celebrate Sassy. You'll see me put that down. And then I do have little bits that I'll say like girl time and all that. So the photos, this is my counterpart teacher, Ritas, and I were on our bus ride going to one of our games. She was a cheer coach and I was the head coach for the girls basketball team before COVID hit. And then the other one is where I actually played against Payne State for Red Ribbon Week in October. And that is me afterwards because I didn't have a chance to change out of my clothes for that day because I actually had to play. So that is all of that goodness right then and there. So yeah, ultimately that's what the photos are. It is my school year. I had such a crazy school year. It's like 2019, 2020. And I mean, I know it's crazy for everybody, but when I go back through my albums and I'm placing all of my layouts in there and I'm getting them in order, because I do have almost all of my back to school type photos that I take that I want to put in there done. And I was like, wow, this is like crazy. Like, we went from having absolutely no issues to shutting the world down in like one sweep. I remember the Friday going to school and I do my Dr. Seuss pose with my funky socks for the day, and then that Sunday night we got the phone call saying school is going to be shut down and we don't know when we're coming back. So it was a lot that year, but you know, we still got through it. But yeah, so that is a little bit of that. That is what that is. And I am now down to the splatters. So make sure you check out everything down below. My still shots are coming up. I hope that you guys all have a wonderful day. Stay safe, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.